This simple vegan fruit glaze is made with Agar Agar, a plant-based gelling agent derived from seaweed. It creates a shiny coating that helps fresh fruit look attractive and prevents it from drying out or oxidizing. It's super easy and quick to make and helps your desserts look shiny and beautiful. Give it a try. Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan fruit glaze. Place the Agar Agar powder and sugar in a small saucepan. Whisk well to disperse the Agar Agar powder to prevent lumps. Add water and heat over medium heat, stirring constantly. Once the mixture reaches a gentle boil, continue boiling for 1 to 2 minutes. Agar Agar powder must be boiled to activate its gelling properties. Remove from the heat and allow the glaze to cool. The glaze should remain liquid but not be hot. Agar begins setting around 35 to 40 degrees Celsius or 95 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. If the glaze has already settled, warm it over warm water and stir until it becomes liquid again. Using a pastry brush, lightly brush the glaze over fresh fruit. The glaze will set within a few minutes at room temperature, creating a clear, glossy coating. This vegan fruit glaze can be kept in a refrigerator for up to a few days. I hope you enjoy making this vegan fruit glaze and making your desserts look more beautiful. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.